Hello guys and welcome to Human Resource for Beginners, and today we'll be discussing a brief introduction for human resources, and then we'll be move on beyond that on our future episodes. So let's get started. So what is actually human resource management? It is one of the most important resources in an organization that which contains the people or the employees. It is a kind of a management or a managers that recognize that this and acquire and train and develop and retain a source. It is also considered as a resource among other resources that are to be utilized and managed to achieve organizational objectives. When it comes to real definition, human resource management is the process of planning, recruiting, selecting, training, rewarding, and appraising the people of human resource aspect from a managerial position by working with and through people. Human resource management is the function which performed in organizations that facilitates the most effective use of people, which is the employees, to achieve organizational and individual goals. The philosophy, the policies, the procedures and practices related to the management of people within an organization is also considered as the human resource management. Next, we move on to the evolution of the concept of human resource management. It is the history of human resource management. It is very really short actually, and the present status of the field of HRM has been achieved after years of evolutionary development. Actually, the development and the evolution of HRM has been made through a number of stages and with the influence of several forces and factors. Those can be considered as such. A few important stages and factors are like the pre-industrial era, the industrial revolution and the factory system, also the scientific management, human relations movement, the labor movement, and the emergence of collective bargaining, which is the industrial relations, emergence of personal management, and also the concept and the development of human resource management. So those are the facts that considers as the evolution of the human resource management. Next, we move on to the functions of human resource management. Or, as usual, the first one goes as the planning, then we have the recruitment and selection, then the compensation management, the performance evaluation, and also finally the training and development. So those are the basic functions of a human resource management. Next, we move on to the important factors which contributed to the human resource management. The proposed need for a separate human resource function in an organization is also considered as an important factor, demonstrated that jobs can be systematically studied, analyzed, redesigned, or improved. The stress and the importance of proper selection procedures and training methods are also an important factor. The proposed wage incentives to workers for an increased output, which means the establishment of separate HR divisions. So those are the most important factors which comprises on a human resource management.